Alright, so we are here at the Bell House party, and as you can see, it's going like crazy in here. This is just for Spelman and for Morehouse people only. So this is where we at. Check it out.